we're here today to do a Nature Box unboxing. We got our Nature Box over here, and we're gonna unbox and see what we got here. Some goodie snacks. Nature Box, it's
I can open it.
Yep. Nature Box is $19.95 a month. You can do every 2 months, every 3 months. And you get 5 healthy snacks, or you can add some more for $3. We got 6 snacks this time. And first we see here Keep Calm and Nom Nom from Nature Box. Then we got a little booklet with what stuff they have. And then we got the invoice of what kind of snacks we got. So yeah. You opening one? Which one you got first? Let's show which one we got. So first, hold on, I will open.
I can open.
Okay, well, let's show which one we got. First, we got Chipotle Maple Almond, like that. And they just look like almonds right there. They just look like almonds right there. And
I can open.
they're actually really good. Spicy maple flavored almonds. They are maple flavored, and you can feel a little bit of heat in them. You got this lemon tea biscuits. Let's see how they taste. What you think?
I see it tastes delicious.
Oh yeah?
Ah.
Let's see. It's like little cookies.
I try small one.
You try a small one. How is it?
Good.
Good? This is good with the tea. They say right. It's tea.
Can I open it?
The next thing we have here is Coffee Kettle Popcorn. You want to try some popcorn? Let's open and see what this tastes like. Look like popcorn. Taste. Popcorn. This is good. This kind of like caramel popcorn, but a little bit hint of coffee, and like the white ones. You like?
Popcorn.
You like popcorn?
Can I open this?
The next thing we have here is this Asiago and cheddar cheese crisp. Alrighty, let's taste. This looks pretty cool. These look like chips. Good? You get the Nature Box. We do recommend this one. This is awesome.
Can I open this?
Yep. Next thing we have here is Pear Praline Crunch.
I can open it.
There you go.
Like that?
Yep, you got it open. And this is pear flavored praline pecans and cashews.
It looks like popcorn.
Does it?
Ah,
That's what it looks like.
popcorn.
This tastes good. Yeah? Try the cashew. And the last one we got here is garlic plantains.
It looks like chips.
Yep, it does. Kind of like crackers or something. It's good. Really good. Is it actual like plantains? You want another one? And this is plantain chips with garlic.
They say garlic.
Which one is your favorite?
Popcorn.
Popcorn is your favorite?
I can taste popcorn.
I knew that popcorn will be your favorite. So yeah, guys, these are the 5 snacks that you can get. They're more healthy, as you see. It's not just regular chips. It's plantain chips. And these are actually really, really good. So yeah, thanks for watching our unboxing.
Bye, guys.
Bye.